Hi, have you ever wondered how to rotoscope full or maybe hairy object like this? I will tell you how to do it with before and after. I will give you this example. If I use a regular way to rotoscope using rotoscope brush like this, even I've tried to maximize the feather, the result is still not very good and rough. But I'll show you another one with extra step, which is called refine edge. From the rotoscope mask earlier, let's unfreeze it first. Add another step to use refine edge here and mask on the outer part of the fur like this. And don't forget to freeze it and adjust the feather and smooth. Can you see the difference before and after? Of course, with the refined edge, this is way better than just a regular rotoscoping. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comment below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!